Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Ace of Pentacles. What's going? Aquarius. Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles in one reading. Hangman with Justice card under the deck. I think you are spiritually awakening. You are feeling stuck. Sometimes you are thinking about someone or something a lot in these recent times. And Justice. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life, someone from your life. Maybe someone approaching for you for second chances. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Libra or Cancer especially. So let's see your reading. Recent past Ace of Pentacles, Chariot and Ace of Wands. I think in recent past the relationship between you and your person is very slow moving. Yes, there is attraction between, passion between both of you. I think there are some commitment issues because it is very slow moving between both of you. Maybe you are very committed to this relationship but your person may be in and out of your life. That was past. Then present, Queen of Swords, Five of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. I think you are setting boundaries. You want best. You deserve best. So, you decided to cut off this person from your life because they are not treating you well. Five of Pentacles energy, cold shouldering. Maybe they treated you as an option. That's why you want to focus on yourself. You want to stand by your power. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life, or you want to give clarity to them that you want commitment, you want marriage. And Queen of Pentacles, now you are concentrating on your money, financial, especially on your abundance. You total focus on your money, creating more money, on your work or job. Then future, Death, the Tower and King of Pentacles. So yes, it was for some it was ended between you and your person. For some it could be temporary or permanent, but there was ending. And it is also very difficult for you. It is also a tower moment for you because the tower is here. But King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. I think for some you both are right now concentrating on your career. But someone wants to commit to you. But once you gone, they started realizing you both. King of Pentacles is here. Maybe this person want to offer stability to this connection. For some it could be a new person. For some it could be a past person. Depending upon your situation. Okay guys, so let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. And you are stuck. Maybe you have to make some decision but you are unable to make. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Under the deck, Five of Wands, lot of drama. Maybe more than one person is fighting for your attention for some. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Aquarius. King of Cups, Six of Cups, oh my god, Justice. Yes, I already told you they want second chances with you, Aquarius. And the Emperor, maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you. For some, maybe your person have ego problem, but they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely they are thinking about to offer marriage, to offer commitment, and they have so much love for you because King of Cups is here. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups is here. I think they are thinking about you a lot. They are thinking about marriage. If you are in separation, they want second chances with you. If you are not in separation, for some, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see their intentions. Aquarius. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Libra, especially. And Knight of Pentacles. Maybe trust issues between you and your person. In past, they played games with you because Seven of Swords. Definitely, there is something sneaky in this connection. They still want rebirth in this connection. They will fight for your attention. Yes, this time maybe they are serious about you because they are realizing you both. Once you're gone, they started realizing you both. Maybe for some there are trust issues between both of you. You are not trusting this person. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. But Ten of Swords, now they are missing you badly. Now they are realizing you both. But there is a lot of drama going. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Eight of Swords with Four of Pentacles. Yes, I think they are feeling stuck. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. I already told you because they're feeling stuck. They're thinking about you a lot. They love you so much, but they're not expressing their because Four of Pentacles holding back because they're feeling stuck. They're unable to make any more. For some, maybe they're scared for rejection also. And Six of Swords, definitely for some there is communication is coming. And for some, you both live in different cities, countries, or states. It could be a long distance relationship. I think you are not talking with them right now, Aquarius. You are healing yourself. You are doing meditation to heal yourself because you are heartbroken. Yes, Three of Swords. So that's why you are undergoing some meditation to heal yourself. Yes, you walked away from this connection because trust issues. There is no trust. That's why maybe you walked away. There is no equal give and take. Yeah, now they are realizing you both. For some, it could be too late also. Ace of Cups. I think Seven of Wands. Still, you both love each other. What I'm seeing here. For some, you both doing self-love. Here, two groups, one group. Still, you both have love for each other. And Seven of Wands. So, one person is defensive. One person won't give up on this connection. Still, there is love. This is mutual card, Ace of Cups. But it's too late for some because you are Aquarius. You are heartbroken. You are healing yourself. But they want second chances with you. They're realizing you both. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Especially Libra, a lot of air energy. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Mask. Second chance. Free yourself. Will you forgive me? Don't leave me behind. And soulmates. So these are the messages from your person and mask. Second chances. Free yourself. Will you forgive me? And don't leave me behind. These are the messages from your person and take what resonate. Definitely second chances. For some, you are freeing yourself, doing meditation to heal yourself. And will you forgive me? Yeah, definitely they did something wrong to you. That's why they are asking, will you forgive me and don't leave me behind. Yeah, still they want you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Don't let pride get in your way. Full Moon in Leo. And a time to give rather than take, New Moon in Virgo. So if they come back, if they communicate with you, don't show your ego, don't show your pride. This is the one of the messages. And a time to give rather than take. So if you're a person only taking, not giving, so this is the message for those, a time to give rather than take. Yes, there should be always equal give and take. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.